Okay, everybody, I've come up with a little technique in order to make a good GoPro / head mount selfie taking positions. A GoPro, you could call this a GoPro head mount selfie cam tutorial. To do this, you'll need your GoPro camera. This piece here is an extension from a GoPro suction cup mount. 2 of these screws and the GoPro head mount. Now let me go ahead and show you how I did this. A couple nights ago, I was playing around with my GoPro camera and this piece here, and I created a selfie, a way to film a selfie video. Now, you're going to need 2 of these screws, but you're also going to need to be sure that this end, without the metal piece here, this end is going to attach to your GoPro head mount. Please keep in mind that it might take a little bit of finagling to get this in here, but it does work. You can do some adjusting and moving back and forth until you get it in place. Okay, after a little bit of finagling with this thing, I finally got it in here. Now you can adjust this high or low, however high you want it. You can do a little adjusting here to get it exactly where you want it. Now, the other end, this is the end with the metal nut right there. Sticking. Your GoPro attaches right here. Okay. Now that the GoPro is attached, there we have it. You can bring it up or down, do whatever you want to get the angle that you want. Okay, and now we attach it to our head. Attach the head strap, put this around your head, and we're good to go. And I will leave you with some footage that I shot of this with this rig. It is a little bit of weight right here, but that's that's okay. I would say. It is kind of cold out here, very cold. Just walking outside for a little bit.